everyone. So now we are going to discuss about volcanic landforms. We discuss earthquake, now landforms. So see that I'm drawing one diagram. So this will be the diagram now. Here is the lava plateau. And this one is the lava plateau. Okay, this is the volcanic. This is the volcanic neck. Volcanic neck. This is the cordillera cones. Okay, this is the cone and cordillera. This is the lava, and here is the cone also. So these forms are cones, and here is composite volcano. This type of volcano is the composite volcano. And these are the volcanic arc. Okay, volcanic arc. This is the batholith. Near this batholith. So batholith and ash. There is ash also, and crowded. These like we are discussing about the volcano. So there will be some diagrams like sill. What is the sill? What is the dike? Okay. So sill is a flat horizontal. Sill is what? Horizontal, like this. This sill is a horizontal mass igneous rock between the sedimentary rock layers of sedimentary. Dike is the vertical. Dike is a vertical intrusion. This is the dike. Vertical intrusion of igneous rock is the dike, sill and dike. Okay, and laccolith and lapolith. Laccolith and lapolith. So laccolith is a mass igneous neck typically lens shaped. It's a lens shaped is the laccolith, and if it's a lapolith, then it is a saucer shape. Saucer shape is lapolith, and laccolith is lens shape, intruded between rock strata. And phacolith is smaller lenticular igneous intrusion shape folding in anticline. It's folding in anticline folding. And batholith is large masses of intrusive igneous rock believed to have solidified deep with the earth. Now the crater, cinder cone, ash flow, lava flow, crater lake, calderas, and parasitic rock. So these are extrusive form. Extrusive is what? Crater, cinder cone, ash flow, lava flow, crater lake, calderas, and parasitic cone. These are the extrusive. And intrusive is what? Sill, dike, lacolith, phacolith, batholith. Liths are in intrusive form. And if there is a cinder, crater, CCC is in the extrusive. Crater, cinder, calderas, parasitic cone, ash flow, lava flow, cinder cones, these are in extrusive. So this is how we can say like what is intrusive, what is extrusive. We can easily differentiate between of them. Now we are coming at weathering. So weathering is what? Weathering is a gradual disintegration of rock. It is disintegration of rock. It's known as weathering. It's a disintegration of the rock is known as weathering. Okay. So disintegration of the rock is what name is weathering. Weathering element include wind and temperature and rainfall and frost and fog and ice. So this is some like weathering elements. Weathering contributes significantly to soil formation. So soil formation is because of weathering. Various processes of weathering help in producing different colors and properties of the soil. So first of all, we are discussing about the physical weathering. Types are physical weathering, second is the chemical weathering, and the third is the biotic weathering. Biotic weathering. So first is physical weathering. Physical is disintegration of the rock without any chemical change. So it is block disintegration, exfoliation, and frost action. So in physical, if we are discussing about the physical, then exfoliation will be there, block disintegration will be there, and frost action will be there. So disintegration of rocks by expansion contraction of the rock is known as block disintegration. Exfoliation is peeling of rock. Exfoliation is what? Peeling of rock in due to intense heating. And frost action is alternative freezing and melting of the rock. That is known as the frost action. Now known as the chemical weathering. Chemical weathering. So chemical weathering is the oxidation and carbonation and hydration and solution. So oxidation is what? Oxidation is a process of atmospheric oxygen react with the rocks. Carbonation is removal of the rock through the carbonic acid. Hydration is absorption of water by the mineral of the rock, and the solution is dissolution of mineral in the water. These are the chemical weathering. Now biotic weathering. Biotic weathering. So biotic weathering are plants. Plants are contribute to the both mechanical and chemical weathering. These are the biotic weathering. Okay, so plants is both. It is mechanical and chemical both. And growth of roots disintegrate the rock. Animals, burrowing of animal like earthworm, rats, rabbit, termites also breakdown of the rock. And earthworms can convert the rock mass into good soil, and main breaks a lot of the rocks for construction and agriculture and mining. All right. Now next one is soil erosion. Soil erosion. What is the soil erosion? Soil erosion is the types are wind erosion, second is the sheet erosion, third is the rill erosion, and fourth is gully erosion. Wind, sheet, rill, and gully. So removal of soil at a greater rate than its replacement by natural agency is called the soil erosion. Wind erosion. Wind carry away vast quantity of fine soil particle and sand from desert and spread it over adjoining cultivated land and thus destroy their fertility. So desert is spreading wind erosion over parts of Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. Sheet erosion. Water when moves as a sheet takes away thin layer of the soil common along the river beds and area affected by the flood. Rill erosion. Removal of surface soil by the running water. Removal of surface soil by the running water is known as the rill erosion. Water moves channel down and slope and takes away the soil forming gullies. Gully erosion. These lands are called bedland and ravine, and ravine are common in Chambal and Yamuna river. So it is for the bedland topology. And rill erosion is generally where it is surface of soil by running water. It is by running water. Okay. And sheet erosion is what? Water when moves as a sheet takes away thin layer of soil. There are layer of soil and water is passing through. Wind erosion is vast quantity of fine soil particle and sand from desert and spread is over adjoining cultivated land and thus destroy their fertility. So fertility destroying and cultivated land, there is the soil particle go through. So this whole we discussed about the erosion. First weathering, then we discussed the erosion. Now continental. Okay, this is